Mastering British Slang, a fun ride into UK vernacular. Hello, language learners around the globe. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of British slang. Today, we will dig deep into some of the most used and vibrant slang expressions hailing from the United Kingdom. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's take this language ride. Slang is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are informal. It is often used in specific contexts or among certain groups of people. British slang, just like American slang or Australian slang, has its unique expressions and vocabulary that are commonly used among native speakers. Now, let's dive into some popular British slang expressions. 1. Bob's your uncle. This phrase means, there you have it. It is typically used after providing a simple solution or explanation to a problem. 2. Chuffed. If someone is chuffed, they are very pleased or satisfied about something. 3. Knackered. This term means very tired or exhausted. 4. Gobsmacked. If you're gobsmacked, you're utterly astonished or surprised. 5. Tosh. This term refers to something that is nonsense or rubbish. Now that we know some expressions, let's see how to use them in sentences. 1. Just put the kettle on, add a tea bag, pour the hot water, and Bob's your uncle. You have a perfect cup of British tea. 2. I was chuffed to bits when I passed my driving test. 3. After running the marathon, I was completely knackered. 4. I was gobsmacked when I saw the price of the house. 5. Don't talk tosh. Your ideas are always valuable. Remember, learning slang is a crucial step towards understanding the nuances of a language. It allows you to understand native speakers better and helps you sound more natural when speaking English. Moreover, it also gives you insights into the culture and context in which the language is used. That's a wrap for our journey through British slang expressions. I hope you found this ride both enlightening and entertaining. Keep practicing these phrases and integrate them into your everyday conversations. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. Until our next linguistic journey, cheerio.